25% spike in forest fires.
This year, fires raged across the Amazon basin, causing massive destruction and threatening the ecosystem that is most vital to our Earth's climate. Devastation to indigenous lands was unprecedented. More than 8 million hectares of the Amazon were lost to flames.
80% of the global biodiversity on this planet is on indigenous peoples' lands. This is what industrial agribusiness does to the Amazon. Let's make no mistake, what we have to do now is protect it and restore it as quick as possible.
With Amazon Watch support, a delegation of indigenous leaders challenged European authorities and consumers to stop financing and importing Brazilian commodities from conflict areas and indigenous lands in the Amazon.
Bolsonaro está negando não só os direitos, mas está autorizando o genocídio no Brasil. Não vamos recuar. Nós somos a resistência.
The threats come not just from agribusiness in Brazil, but also from oil drilling and mining in the western Amazon. Despite rising global attention, the Amazon still remains the most dangerous place to be an Earth defender.
When I grow up, I'm one of the targets. I'm one of those who could be persecuted and murdered for standing up and giving a voice to the people of the Amazon.
The indigenous movement in Ecuador continues to stop oil extraction while facing down violent government repression. Standing with the indigenous peoples is the best way to prevent the next catastrophe.
Can we turn this around? We have to act as if our house is on fire, because it is. The best way that we can protect the Amazon is by standing with indigenous peoples.
This destruction has ignited a global movement taking action to protect the Amazon. Thank you for your continued support.